surfing.
You can get a good picture of lighthouse from there.
Yeah. Look at these waves. 2 to 11 feet, seas. 11-foot swells. Look at this. There's the lighthouse way down there. This is low tide. Low tide. They look like dots on my phone. Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna fall in it. I'm just seeing how far the waves come up. There's a birdie. Check this out. Cool, it's a lobster trap. There's no lobster in it. I found a lobster trap. There's no lobster. That's not fair. There's no lobster. Go up. Go this way, that way, that. Look at these waves. Wow. That's pretty scary. White rapids too. Good for surfing.